What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, it could be meme coins. It really doesn't matter, man. We're gonna check it out. As long as the project has some type of potential, we're gonna be checking it out, man. I saw this project making some waves. Pink Bnb, never heard of the project, but we're taking a look at it, guys. It looks like it is an AI based project, and we see how AI has exploded. So we're gonna dive into it, but before we do, always remember I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any crypto project, because it is very risky and very volatile. So first off, we have PnB free AI will analyze charts for you. Okay, so it's an artificial intelligence charting mechanism. Super bullish. Maximize your profits by using the PnB free AI, the world's first AI based cryptocurrency media portal. So it is a project that will help you with trading. Okay, so it is an AI trading project. So if you're not the best at TA and you're getting that start and you need something to help you, get you to those levels of being one of the best traders, this project could be the one for you. Pink Bnb, $47 million in market cap. It had a recent 14x move to the upside. So if you're gonna get into the project, look for an entry. It could retrace back down a bit and then continue up further. So yeah, just be careful, because it already had a nice move up, but there's a reason why it's making noise and had that move up. 9,000 holders, and they're burning the supply. So it is super deflationary, which I love. Okay, any project that's deflationary, I love it. Any project that has tokenomics like this, I love it. Okay, 65% of the supply is out, 6% is for the developers, 5% for the airdrop, 1.83% for the burn, 10% for staking, 11% for exchanges. This is a nice tokenomics breakdown, in my opinion, when the majority of the tokens are for the open market, meaning retail investors like me and you. That's for us. 65% is for us. That's when you have a great project, because if the majority was for the team would be selling and dumping on you, right? So that's great tokenomics that I saw there. They also have a 1% tax, 1% buy and sell, just 1% buy and sell tax, which isn't that bad at all. So it's for burn wallets and developer wallets. That's not bad. It's not even 2, 3%, 5%, 10%, 1% buy and sell tax. That's not bad at all. Okay, so that's pretty good, man. I don't actually ever. I'm never upset when a project has taxes, because the developers have to fund their project some way, somehow. But low taxes or no taxes, perfect, especially if it's just 1% on the buy and sell. PnB3 is the world's first AI-based cryptocurrency media portal. It's designed to collect large amounts of data about the cryptocurrency industry, label training data, and analyze the data for correlations and patterns, and use these patterns to make predictions about future states. Now that is very bullish. Artificial intelligence layer roles give users the best and fastest experience to help you with all of the new patterns, all of the new states in the crypto industry. That is great. They have a user interface, a crawler, which indexes content for major cryptocurrency related websites, and they use AI to analyze correlations and patterns. Okay, very nice stuff. Also have social media links. We're gonna go through the Twitter in a bit, but yeah, they have a breakdown of all their roadmap, and they already started their 2023 roadmap. Bullish. Okay, a lot of projects haven't even updated their website with their 2023 roadmap as yet. So yeah, Fairy Proof, Pancake Swap, Lifecoin Watch. I'm not sure if it's listed on any exchanges as yet. Maybe we take a look at CoinMarketCap and see. But let's take a look at the Twitter. 52.7k followers. AI is the future. Pink listed on Mexi Global. speak of, you know that saying, guys. Yeah, but listed on Mexi Global, so we do have an exchange listing on Mexi that was very recent, and that's probably what caused the explosion for the project. That's probably what caused more and more people to hop in. So we will have exclusive news for Pink Bnb holders. Stay tuned. Very active Twitter, bunch of likes and retweets. You could tell the team has been building. They've been building because recently the engagement for the project really stepped up, right? So yeah, guys, I like what I see with this one. This looks very bullish in my opinion. And yeah, if you hold Pink Bnb, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Any other projects you'd like me to check out down below, just shoot it in the comment section, man. Everything Pink Bnb and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.